Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. Today it is Saturday and I am going to conduct a mock test. So you are going to be with me and we are going to do all these things today. So guys, we are on way to the location for our mock test, and this location is a little far from my house, and on the way I have to actually pick my colleagues as well. Okay guys, now we are fully loaded actually. Fully loaded means we are all here, 5 of us, and this is actually Team Asad Yaqub. We just came to visit this place. It's actually called Springs Apartments, and we are actually interested, looking for something nice to record our videos and to work peacefully about IELTS and all that. So we were having this meeting and we were looking for some options, and let's see, because in future some students want to join me from foreign countries as well. So in that case, like, we can provide them some luxurious accommodation. So we were looking for some options here. So finally we visited this construction site. As I told you, we are looking for like a sort of apartment. So let's see what happens. And the weather is awesome. Now we are getting late for our mock test. So let's just go for the mock test and I show you the beautiful auditorium for my mock test as well. So now I'm going to take you to my IELTS Masterclass. Assalamu alaikum. Are you all? So we are just about to start this mock test and all the students are ready. Are you guys ready for the mock test? Yes. Raise your hands. Okay. Yes, exactly. So we'll have this mock test right now. Just in a couple of minutes we are going to start this test.
At the start of the day, spades, saws, hammers, it'll all be supplied.
So sometimes during the mock test we sit together. Now Yasin is actually doing invigilation and we've just ordered some pizza and some sandwiches, so you're going to have them. My friend Imran is here today. He is our guest, okay? So I often invite my friends to come and join me, especially during the mock test, because sometimes I don't do invigilation, and Shumaila is with us as well. Yeah, she plans things for us. And today, luckily, Mustain is with us as well. Okay, Mustain, what are you waiting for?
Waiting for the food.
Okay, actually, he didn't even have his breakfast. So guys, it's all over. Now you can see the same room is empty and they are just switching off the lights. We had a big crowd today. Around 50 plus people came to take their mock test. So this is how we conduct the mock test. And it was a very busy day. Right now it's 10 p.m. and now I'm going to go back home. So this is just one day. You guys saw me how I came out of my house and then I came for mock test, and now I'm going to go back home. So this is how actually I go on. And let me tell you, we see the success of other people and then we think it is all by chance. We don't know that it is the years' effort of that person which results in that success. So the bigger the efforts, the bigger the success. All the best, guys. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for watching this vlog. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.